Benefits of coriander. Coriander is one of the foods and herbs that are rich in nutrients. Not only can it be consumed directly as food or fresh vegetables, coriander can also be processed into herbs or herbal teas. This is because in coriander water there are various nutrients that are good for body health, such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, iron, folate, as well as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Here are the various benefits of coriander water that you can get. 1. Overcoming digestive problems. One of the well-known benefits of coriander water is to overcome digestive problems such as nausea, diarrhea, and flatulence. This is because the fiber content in coriander can improve the work of your digestive system as a whole. 2. Lower blood sugar levels. Some research shows that coriander extract and coriander water can increase the production and performance of the hormone insulin so that blood sugar levels can be controlled. This effect makes coriander water good to consume to reduce your risk of developing diabetes. 3. Maintain heart health. Coriander, whether consumed directly or as coriander juice, is also good for heart health. This is because coriander can control blood pressure and lower bad cholesterol (LDL) levels, so it is good for preventing heart disease. 4. Resist the effects of free radicals. Phytochemical compounds in coriander, such as terpenin, quercetin, lutein, and flavonoids, have strong antioxidant properties. These antioxidants function to fight the effects of free radicals in the body. Antioxidants also play an important role in reducing inflammation and reducing the risk of various diseases, such as cancer and diabetes. 5. Fight infection. In addition to antioxidants, coriander also contains compounds that are antibacterial or antimicrobial, namely dodecanol. This compound is said to be able to fight and eradicate bacteria that cause diarrhea and food poisoning, for example E. coli and salmonella. Thank you for watching. I hope we can have a healthy body with natural ingredients. I hope this is useful for you, and see you soon.